Hello YouTubers, welcome back. Hold on. Peace out. Okay, this vacuum just keeps making a very loud noise. And that's the reason why I can't vacuum my room, because what kind of noise is this? Still ain't cleaning up anything.